In this video today, we are going to be subtracting fractions with unlike denominators. However, this time we are going to be subtracting fractions that are technically called mixed numbers. I have a whole number and a fraction, and I'm going to take away a whole number and a fraction. This does require a little bit more drawing. We are going to be doing the area model, where students are actually physically drawing their fractions. So I'm going to draw my fractions. I've got 3 3/4. Okay. I'm going to actually break this up into 3 3/4. So I'm going to color in my holes. 1 hole, 2 hole, 3 holes, and then I'm going to have 3/4. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I've got 3 3/4. Now I need to take away 1 1/3. Okay, I can't do that. There's no, I could take away 1 whole, but then I got this 1/3 that I can't do anything with because I have to have a common denominator. I can't take away a third from here because it's not the same value. I have to create a common denominator. So to do that, we've asked the students to model this fraction so we know what we're taking away. I'm going to model a whole and a third. I break up the holes in case I have to borrow. Some students forget this part and it comes back to get them later when they're trying to figure out what they need to do if they actually had to borrow. So let's say that this was larger than 4 and I needed to borrow from a whole. That's why I go ahead and have them break up the holes in case we ever need to borrow. All right, the next step in our process would be to create a common denominator. To do that, I've got 3 3/4. I'm going to break these up into thirds to create a common denominator. Okay, so I have 1 1/3. I need to take away from there, but I still can't do that. I need to break this one up so I know what the value is that I'm taking out. So I'm going to break this one up into fourths. All right, now I have a common denominator, and you can probably already tell me. I have actually a common denominator of 12. And in total, over here, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces of 12, but I have a whole. So I have 1 4/12 is this number. I'm going to take away from this number here. I've got 3 wholes and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 pieces of 12. Now, you can go ahead and do that subtraction. 4 take away from the 9, all of that jazz. Or you can literally have the students cross out pieces. I'm going to take away a whole, take away a whole. Now I need to take out 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces. I have 2 wholes, 1, 2 wholes, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces of 12 left over would be our answer. So with this fraction model, the main thing here is we are creating a common denominator. Yes, the student does much better if they're drawing both so that they can see how much they're taking out from the model. They do not have to cross them out if they do not want to, but we definitely highly encourage them rewriting the values of each fraction once they've created the common denominator. If they do that, then they can definitely subtract straight across without any problems.